Hey guys, I'm finally able to make a video of my car. I know a lot of people have been asking and been wanting to see a walk around of it. So I decided today's the day since it's so nice. The weather's been kind of bad up here in Minnesota, so haven't really gotten this car out too much. My car might be a little bit dusty. I did have a car cover on it, but the cars can still get dusty under those. This is my 2000 Acura Integra GSR. It has about 55,000 miles on it. Two owner, which is I am the second owner. Originally was in Iowa, now it's in Minnesota. Looks like the original owner didn't really do anything to it. Left it all stock. Kept the original GSR rims as well. I'm also going to be pointing out all the defects that I found on this car. Such as the center caps have some corrosion on it. But that's about it for the rims. The rims are pretty nice by itself. Might be a little bit too dark to see, but it's brake calipers. Overall, the car has a few chips, which are just normal, but nothing too noticeable. Has some really minor light scratches as well, but those aren't really noticeable as well, unless you really pick for them. Let's go to the back. Yeah, when I first saw this car, I was just so amazed by how clean it was. Got it back in October 2018, and wasn't really sure about the condition of the car till I went there to go see it. I actually got it from a dealership, a Subaru dealership. They said when I got there, they had like 25 plus leads after I put down my deposit on this car. So I'm thankful for them for keeping it for me. GSR badge. All the lines kind of line up pretty well on this car too. No accidents on this car, from what I know, and the Carfax. Paint is still pretty reflective as well, like you can see pretty clearly on it. The headlights are like crystal clear as well. I don't think they've ever been changed or need any buffing or anything like that. Again, the car might be a little dirty, dusty here. Alright, let's go and look at the interior. Quick look at the roof too. Alright. Everything's original here too. Slight wear on the clutch pedal, which is pretty normal for this car. Besides that, the interior seats are really nice still. The rears seem like they've never even been used. Kind of has a mark in the middle, but I learned that when the seats are down, it kind of gets, it kind of hits this pattern right here, so it kind of hits the seats as well. All right, turn this on. Miles is at 55,895. Original Acura steering wheel. Original radio as well. Shifter. Floor mats as well. Sunroof opens up super smoothly. How the lights, they all work as well, of course. The radio.
Break that.
AC works as well, like perfectly. I just used it today since it's so hot out. Fan speeds. Some slight scratches here, but you know, can't really do much about that. Alright, let's open up the hood. Got the original VINs and all the stickers here too on the door side. The VINs are all on each panel too for this car. Might take pictures of all that later. This window does kind of open up slowly versus going down, but I heard that's kind of normal too for the Integras. And it's missing one window strip right here. I actually went to an Acura dealership to see if I could buy the part for it, but they said they don't make it anymore. So what I was planning to do was go on Craigslist, maybe find a Integra that's being parted out, and then just take that piece and put it back on. But other than that, you cannot get it from Acura anymore. Alright, and here's the engine bay. I asked the saleswoman to take a picture of this for me before I went down to Iowa. And the moment I saw this engine bay like this clean in the picture, I was like, oh my god. Like, that's when I knew that it was a pretty clean car. So all the bolts are still has a nice coating to them. They're not like silver yet. New battery, all original. This stuff normally gets really rusted on these older Hondas and Acuras. Oh, this one's like perfect. Oh, it has that gold tint to it. Sounds super healthy and strong as well. I would recommend doing the timing belt though, and water pump. There's no record of it being done, and I haven't done it, so just to be safe, if you end up buying this car, I would say just do it. VINs on the sides, on the body. Good. All the stickers are all on it as well. VIN. Got the headlights on too. All original. Alright, now let's head to the trunk. You need to replace the struts pretty soon, because I think they're all they're the original ones, and they kind of will go bad at around this time. The car's about 19 years old, so it still opens up pretty smoothly though. It just gets a little bit heavy. This piece right here, I heard this piece is like super expensive if you go OEM, or you go to the dealership to go get it. Alright, let's check for the spare tire. Super clean under here. Spare tire never been used is what it looks like. Got all jacked the tools. It's just so clean under here as well. Normally it might be a little bit rusty, or just the paint is kind of bad, but right here is like, it's really like perfect still, like brand new. Original carpet. Even the bolts up here are still like nice too. So just need to replace the struts, find that window piece, and this car is pretty much perfect again. I have additional photos of the underbody as well. There's some surface rust, but really not that much. So I'll post that up later as well. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you're planning to buy it, if you have more questions, just let me know. Let's go. Alright guys, let's go for a quick drive in my 2000 Acura Integra GSR. Going about 55 right now. Suspension works really nicely still. Transmission is nice. Clutch is very smooth as well. The alignment is very good as well still. We'll test everything out too. Slow curve. First gear, second gear, still very fun as well. I'll tell you that. It's the first time driving a stock GSR when I first got this car. Alignment, hands are free. The road's kind of a little bit uneven here, but here we go again. No hands, drives really straight.